Our programmes are designed not just with swimming in mind, but with child development. If you get the fundamentals in place, then swimming will just come naturally.
There was lots of technical stuff that we learnt through the training, but we also learnt lots of stuff on child development, so physical development, emotional development, and how that impacts the children when they're in the water.
Lots of time on the books, lots of learning songs, and lots of time in the pool.
The training's brilliant, it gives you so much confidence, and the people who train you are just absolutely amazing.
Even if you think to yourself like, oh, my technique isn't great in swimming, or I need to focus on some things myself, you'll learn that, just have that passion and that drive.
The support here at Puddle is second to none. It's fantastic. From everybody, every person that's involved in the training process, in the background, everything. Everyone is brilliant in their own right.
You could have had like the most stressful day ever, and then you go into the pool and you see these kids and you hear their stories and you think, yeah, this is exactly why I do this. I sound like a salesperson, but I honestly mean it from the bottom of my heart. I love those kids.
You have a million highlights a week when a little face lights up.
I'd say that it's the best job in the world. I know it sounds cliche, but it really, really is. Working with children is just really, really rewarding.
If someone wants to train to be a teacher, I would say just go for it. The training is really good, lots and lots of fun. You learn so much, you won't regret it.
The Puddle family keeps growing, but there's always room for more. Come and join us and be part of something amazing, teaching children around the UK to swim.